Okay guys, so I told you guys I was gonna go and get a test. I was looking underneath my seat for my charger, and then this box was underneath the seat, so I didn't have to go anywhere to buy anything. It was just there, so I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna show you guys the results. So I'll be back, alright?
I'm like so excited right now. I don't know if I should tell my husband. I don't know what to do. Like, it's there. I'm gonna show him another test that's like much brighter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe there's a baby growing in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wonder what it is. If it's a girl, it's a boy. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we did this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta go because we're at Thanksgiving dinner. So I will see you guys later. Oh my god. Bye.
Okay, so it is going. It's just so nerve-wracking. Guys, stop yelling. Oh gosh, please say something nice. Please say something nice. Please say something nice. Say something nice. Say something nice. Say something nice. Can't do it at this appointment right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh jeez! Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh crap, we can't undo that. We can't really undo that. Not that we would want to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, 2 cycles and baby number 5 is on its way. Oh my gosh, baby number 5, baby number 5. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. We are pregnant. Oh my gosh.